So that beautiful, colorful pandal you see, this is the team behind it. The president of the association, the lady who's been here since 6 a.m. And we also found someone from France. But you're the president. I wanted to ask you, times are bad, economics are bad. Did you have to cost control for this beautiful pandal?
Well, the thing is that this is all conceived by our group, our people, and we did it everything ourselves. All the sketches, the painting, we have made it ourselves. We have used materials and things which is not expensive.
Okay.
So we had to cut our budget because it didn't get the big sponsors. So we had to cut our budget in every way, in our decoration, in our every function, every activity. We have downsized our budget, but still we could get the basic festivity into action.
You come from France. What do you think of this whole affair?
Well, I've come to witness it and see. I have heard about it a lot, so I wanted to see it, and it looks very great.
Now tell me, for the 7-8 days, we have noticed that all of you ladies wear lovely clothes these 7-8 days. So every year you buy new
Every year. That this year is 27, I think, not November, 28, I think so.
And how many sarees have you bought this year? Because you're looking absolutely gorgeous. Just see the saree she's wearing, and all of you have dressed so well.
Yeah. Morning is one sari, evening is one sari.
And I'm going to be now joining with a gentleman who's put it together. He heads the organization, Sanjay Chakravarti. Thank you for joining us at ET Now. Happy Pujo. You had a busy couple of times putting it together. But Mr. Chakravarti, we wanted to understand this Dhoom Dhamaka. Are you seeing this year? Is it bigger than last year?
Yeah, it is. We have tried to put up everything that we did last year as well, plus. But there has been a economic downturn, so that has affected us as well. The stall owners have remained constant over the years, mostly. There are some new entrants, and I do take a round and ask them how is the business, and they look happy. So apparently the economic downturn has not affected the eating part of it.
Now, don't we all love binging on our food every festival? Why make an exception for Durga Puja? One thing I've noticed, whether there's a slowdown or no slowdown, everybody is spending on food. Now, this is one of the most authentic dishes when it comes to Bengal. It is called mutton kasha and Bangla pulao. What's special is that this mutton takes about 2 to 2.5 hours to be prepared. That's right, 2 to 2.5 hours to be prepared. One of the best sellers at this particular pandal. So I'm going to try it and tell you what I think. But you know what? It's just not me. Everybody seems to be eating this particular dish.
Tawa meat and potato tornado is special, waffle and pasta, everything is good selling, good crowd.
So after that absolutely scrumptious mutton dish, I've saved enough appetite to have this divine Belgian chocolate with chocolate sauce. As you can see, it's going to be very sinful. It seems to be the most popular dessert at this pandal. We'll worry about the calories another time.
Sharodya Shubhecha. Durga Puja Shubhecha. Shubhecha means good wishes. Good wishes for Durga Puja to everyone. All the people, whoever is watching the show, whatever is happening.